nila is leading a group of women and leading just one is equally good because mahirap na talaga yung leadership. In my own journey, I saw people fall out and I also saw people maging leader din eventually. But it took years. It's not next month or next year leader na sila. It took like 4 to 5 years to see them grow. And as leaders, yun nga, are we willing to walk with that person for 5 years? Are we willing to hear their rants again and again and again until they finally get, ganito pa yung sinasabi ng Panginoon. And sometimes it's not 1 year, 2 years, it's 5 years, it's 10 years. And that speaks a lot if you choose to serve others, even if you don't say to yourself, I'm a leader. Even with just seeing that person walk from here to here is already leadership in itself because chinaga mo yung tao mo and also chinaga ka rin niya as someone who they believe that they can lead, they can rely to in terms of sa Bible verses, tapos yun nga, mag-text sa'yo in the middle of the night, sasabihin, Mau, paki-explain nga yung kay Moses. Parang syempre, you have to set boundaries, but at the same time, you have to be willing to serve them any time of the day. So, yeah, I think that's